Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video to share with you how I made $5,000 in one day trading the forex market. So I'm gonna go over a breakdown with you trading GJ, showing with you how I cut the trade and how I made $5,000. But before to start, this is the proof that I made $5,000 in one day. So this is my trading view and this is the trade that I took. And that was a really like easy move, I would say, because JJ been bullish all week, and I'm gonna share with you how I got this trade. First of all, it all started with a top-down analysis on the monthly time frame, and as you guys can see here, you can see that we have a clean traffic right here. We have an imbalance with this monthly candle, and when I saw price breaking into this area right here, we also have a support right here. I know that with this imbalance clean traffic, there was a high probability of price continue to hit this zone right here. So this zone was my take profit. And now if we go down on the weekly time frame, also you can see it's this area right here. As you can see, clean traffic, there is a high probability of price to hit this zone that was a support that hasn't been retested. And also on the daily, as you guys can see, there was a high probability of price continue to come to this area. So now let's go on the 4-hour time frame very quick, share with you what I saw happening. As you can see, that was the zone right here. We broke into this zone right here. I took a buy right here, but that was for another trade. But I made 5,000 with this trade right here. So let's talk about that. So I saw that on the 1-hour time frame, price created a resistance right here. So as you can see, price was slowing down here, and price made a resistance level. And also here, that was a 30-minute key level. If I go on the 30 minutes, as you can see here, price came retested this area, and also we have a trend line that matches with that. And as you can see, I was expecting price to just continue to reach this area. That was my TP. And on the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, price broke above the key area of the 1 hour here, and I took a buy. And then price also made a slight resistance level right here, and then price came retested it, and there was a news about the GPY. There was a meeting about the YCC. If you don't know what the YCC is, like a policy rule that they put in place during COVID, the pandemic, and they were supposed to revise this rule to see if they was gonna apply a new change, but they didn't change anything, so it stayed the same, and it just helped with the GBP pair to go up and the GPY pairs went down. So GPY here was bullish. As you can see, with this massive candle right here, we had a breakout also of this key level, and price came retested it. And when price retested it, I also took another position I scaled in, because as you can see, this is a massive candle right here on the 15-minute time frame. So that was just a pullback to close this imbalance and also retest this area right here. So retested it, I took another buy, and then price also did a resistance right here. As you can see, price broke above it, and I took another buy right here also. So I had two scaling in the trade. The first position was a risk ratio of 1 to 3.75, almost a 1 to 4. And the second one was a 1 to 2.25. And the third one was a 1 to 1.27. So they all had the same TP, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna also share some videos because I did it live. And as you guys can see, that was a beautiful trade, beautiful trade, full of a trend, breakout, retest. It was just easy, but it didn't happen during London session. It happened just before that. So sometimes when there is news about the GPY pairs, they happen during Asian session. So yeah, I took these two positions in Asian session, and I took this one during New York session, and price hit my TP right here, and that was so beautiful to see that because I saw it happening. I was confident about my trade. I didn't take any partial. I usually take partials on my trades, but when I see this kind of setup happening with a high probability of hitting my take profit, I don't take partial because there's a high probability price will hit my take profit. So why I'm gonna take partials? I only take partials if I see that there is a key level that was formed. But as you guys can see, I showed you on the daily and monthly. If I went to the left side, there was no like key level or something like that. As you can see here, there was no like resistance. It was a clean area for price to continue to go up. There was no like resistance or support right here. So if there is no key level, there's no need to take partial. Just let the trade run to the full TP, and that's what I did. And I made $5,000 like that, guys, in one trade and two scaled in positions. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any question, make sure you leave it down below and subscribe to the channel.